Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Nano Banana AI, also known as Google Nano Banana Gemini. This amazing tool allows you to edit photos, create 3D models, and apply fun transformations using simple text prompts. We'll go step by step together, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate creative and professional-looking images, just like the ones you see on the screen right now. Let's have a look at some examples of images generated by Google Banana AI. In this video, we will learn how to create this type of video for yourself without needing any complicated software or editing skills. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search box, type Google AI Studio. From the search results, click on the official link for Google AI Studio. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Get Started. Click on this button. Now you'll be asked to log in. Use your Google account to log in. After logging in successfully, you will see different AI tools available. Here, look for the option that says Try Nano Banana. Click on the Try Nano Banana button. Congratulations, you are now inside the Nano Banana workspace. To start editing, click on the plus icon to upload an image. You can select any photo from your computer or device. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see a text box where you can type your prompt. Let's try our first example. Type. Change the hairstyle to a modern spiky haircut. Now, press enter and wait for a few seconds. The AI will process your request and generate a brand new version of your image. Pretty cool, right? Let's take another example. This time, type. Make the character wear a white doctor's coat with a stethoscope. Again, wait for the AI to generate the result. You'll see your character transformed into a doctor. Ready for action. Let's try something more fun. Type. Put the character inside a luxury sports car. Wait for a moment, and you'll see the character sitting in an expensive car. Here's another creative example. Type. Add a superhero cape flying in the wind behind the character. The AI will add a dramatic superhero look to your character. Next, let's try something musical. Type. Make the character wear headphones and holding a microphone like a singer. This instantly turns your character into a pop star or performer. Now, let's try an artistic style. Type. Turn the character into a pencil sketch drawing. The AI will recreate the same image but in a hand-drawn sketch style. Let's go a little futuristic. Type. Place the character in a spacesuit standing on the moon. Within seconds, your character will be standing on the lunar surface in a real astronaut suit. Let's make it educational. Type. Make the background look like a classroom with a chalkboard saying Vision Academy. This is a great way to add custom text or branding into your image. Now let's do a gaming example. Type. Give the character VR goggles and a futuristic gaming setup. This makes your photo look like a professional gaming concept design. Here's a fun one. Type. Add raining money notes falling around the character. The AI will create a scene that looks rich, luxurious, and powerful. Next example. Type. Put the character on a magazine cover with the title Success Story. This transforms your character into a celebrity featured on a glossy magazine cover. Let's add another artistic twist. Type. Turn the character into a clay sculpture style. Now, your character will look like a handmade clay model. Let's try a royal theme. Type. Make the character wear a crown and sit on a royal throne. This will transform your photo into a majestic king or queen design. For a city vibe, type. Add a city skyline at night with glowing billboards. The AI will create a vibrant city background with neon signs and lights. For something motivational, type. Show the character holding a golden trophy with fireworks in the background. This is perfect for celebration posters, thumbnails, or achievement designs. As you can see, Nano Banana AI can handle all kinds of creative prompts, from professional styles to fun and futuristic designs. If you like the result, simply click the download button and save the generated image to your computer. You can use these images for projects, presentations, thumbnails, or even creative storytelling. To summarize the process once again, Step 1. Search for Google AI Studio and open the official link. Step 2. Click on Get Started and log in with your Google account. Step 3. Click on Try Nano Banana to launch the tool. Step 4. Upload an image by clicking on the plus icon. Step 5. Type your prompt in the text box and wait for the result. Step 6. Refine your prompts, try different ideas, and download the results you love. And that's it. You now know how to use Google Nano Banana AI, also called Nano Banana Gemini, for free photo editing and even generating 3D style images. With just a few clicks, you can completely transform your photos and create something unique. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Vision Academy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. This is Vision Academy signing off. See you in the next video.